Are you looking for the best compost bins in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best compost bins that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Oversized 1.3 Gallon Compost Bin. The oversized 1.3 gallon compost bin is manufactured by Cooler Kitchen and weighs around 2.65 pounds. The high-quality compost bin is made up of carbon metal, which prevents it from early damage and rusting. You don't need to get yourself all messed up to clean the bin since it is equipped with a removable plastic container that you can clean after emptying the bin. A conveniently large-sized bin with an easily assembled lid is all you need to manage organic waste properly. Compost bin measures around 12.2 by 9.02 by 8.9 inches. Compost bin is fitted with black and white charcoal filter papers of about 4. At number 4, FCMP Outdoor Tumbling Composter. It is an octagonal black-colored chamber. This composter is manufactured by FCMP and has significant advantages. You don't have to mix the organic material from your hand. The unique tumbling design enables us to blend the organic matter in just 5 to 6 rotations rapidly. Another exquisite addition to the unique design of the composter owes to the double-chambered structure. It enables you to add the waste from one side while the other side is left to rot and degrade properly. The composting chamber has small apertures to allow the movement and exchange of oxygen through the organic compost. The item is preferably an outdoor product and weighs around 27.9 pounds and measures around 36 by 30 by 28 inches. It has a large capacity of about 37 gallons. At number 3, Expopeta 2-in-1 Compost Bin. Manufactured by Expopeta, this 2-in-1 stainless steel compost bin is perfect for a small-scale usage for storing kitchen waste or little household waste. This compost bin is highly stylish and compact. You can easily fit anywhere and can be kept on or below the kitchen shelves. Expopeta bin is equipped with a removable plastic bucket, which is dishwasher safe and extremely easy to clean. Also, the bin consists of white charcoal filters that tend to block any stinking smell or odor. At number 2, iTouchless Stainless Steel Compost Bin. An extremely elegant stainless steel compost bin with a 6-liter capacity is an ideal pick for your kitchen. You can store vegetable scraps in it and mix the organic compost with soil after some time. The handle is made up of stainless steel, makes it easier to carry in and out of your house. The compost bin's width is about 8.5, which gives a wide opening for storing organic materials like eggshells, vegetable peels, etc. At number 1, Mifflin Infinity Compost Trash. Mifflin Infinity Compost Trash Bin can be used for both purposes, indoors as well as outdoors. Having a capacity of around 8L, this compost bin has a proper ideal design for being kept at homes, kitchens, and washrooms. 50 compost bags are provided along with Mifflin Compost Trash and weigh around 1.22 pounds. Mifflin Infinity Compost Trash measures around 10.4 by 9.3 and 8.2 inches. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.